Hi guys, good afternoon. Hope you all are doing fine and keeping yourself safe at home or wherever you are. So today I want to speak about the general idea or misconception people have about the physical aspect of their body, be it a pimple on the face or the hair going scanty or a particular area of the body which needs fat loss or weight loss. So I get asked this question so often that is there any cream uh, for making your skin better, or is there any shampoo or conditioner which can make my hair better, or is there any exercise which can help me reduce a certain part of the body. So earlier I also used to think like that, and I used to think that there has to be some magic formula, the application of which can make me make my skin look better or make my hair look better. But after, I can't say that I tried everything, but after going deeper into understanding how our bodies function, I came to understand that what you see externally is all the work which is going on internally. So instead of trying to invest in a cream or a potion or some kind of magic formula which guarantees you that your hair will be lustrous and voluminous and shiny, or your skin will be like that, it's better to invest in right nutrients, buying good vegetables, buying whole food, buying organic, buying local, buying things, buying food which comes from nature. So this is a process which is long drawn out, which will take a long time for you to feel any change, but it will stay forever. But instead of this, if you invest your money into buying creams and potions and lotions, they might make you feel okay, I am applying this, it will help me feel better, my skin better, my hair better, but and you will do that diligently also. But I am sorry to say that if you are not working on your lifestyle, if you are not working on your food, if you are not working on how you are sleeping, how your emotions are, all that what you are doing on externally is going to go complete waste. So I will say that magic potions, lotions, creams and conditioners and anything, they have a place. They can only support if you are supporting your lifestyle. So while you are taking care of what you are eating, your emotions, your sleep, workout, hydration, everything, then top it all, if you use some creams or some kind of lotion or anything which guarantees you better skin, will help in conjunction with your great lifestyle. So because all these creams and things, these are very easy to apply and you don't have to do mechanically anything. Getting into the longer route, working on your lifestyle, working on your mindset, building up great habits take a lot of time, and you need to be very disciplined and consistent with that. So we just try to find a shortcut, but there is no shortcut. There is absolutely no shortcut. Nothing can change things overnight, and something which changes overnight, I am 100% sure it's not going to stay forever. It is like a money won in a lottery, and it will go away like that. So start working on investing in a great lifestyle, eating healthy food, eating a fresh cooked food, taking your time out and sitting in the sun, or doing mindful movements and keeping your emotions in check will help you sustainably to build great health, looking better, feeling better, everything. Regarding the fat loss from a particular area, again, your body does not work separately, that this is my hand and if I work out this, then I will lose fat from there. No, the body is a whole skeleton and it works in totality. You need to work, or you need to understand that your gut, your health, your stomach is the area which digests everything, and then you get energy throughout the body. So if you have a fat, if you have extra fat in particular area of your body, if you start working out that area, it will never work. You need to understand and see the body as a whole. When you eat food, the body does not give extra food to your hand or to your stomach or to your face or to your legs. The body does not differentiate between organs. So you also should not differentiate. Start working on yourself holistically and the body as a whole, and see how wherever there is extra fat, you're going to lose that. I hope I am able to make this clear. If you have any questions, do let me know. I was in a hurry to make a shorter video so that I don't keep on editing the stories. Have a good day, guys, and